Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a unboxing with you guys. I'm super excited for this unboxing. Obviously from the title and thumbnail you can see that I got something from Louis Vuitton. So I want to show you guys what I got. This is something I was supposed to get for Christmas, but I did hold it off for a minute, and then I finally got it because the price went up like $150. Literally within since I looked, I noticed it went up $150 and they were out of stock online. So I called. Luckily they had 2 left in the store in Denver, so I just picked it up right now because it's like I want to get it now before the price goes up again and before they don't have any. If you guys would like to see the unboxing on my Pochette Metis, then keep on watching. So this was the first time I shopped at the Louis Vuitton store. I usually just order online, but since they didn't have it online, I had to get in the store, which sucked because the tax is different in Denver for them. So I had to pay a little bit more, but it's okay. It was worth it. So yeah, let's open it up. I did try it on at the store, so the ribbon's different now. They have white ribbon on it instead of, it was like orange and blue. So yeah, let's go unbox this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've been wanting this bag for so long, guys. You have no idea. Like literally since it came out. Okay. Let's open her up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Obviously the box is empty now. Okay, so it's in the dust bag, obviously. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I didn't really get to look at it too much in the store because I was in a hurry, but isn't she beautiful? Oh my god, I love this bag. It's everything I've hoped for, like everything I thought I wanted. That's weird. I don't know, this like side thing looks way different than this one. You notice how that one's straight and this one's like crooked? I don't know, maybe I'm just tripping. I don't know. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I just got the classic monogram. I was gonna get the other one, but I just really wasn't a fan of this different type of monogram. The only thing I really wanted was like the dark handles, but it's okay. So that's why I got this one, because it's just, I have the Neverfull in the same exact print. So this is what it looks like, and the sides, it has a back zipper pocket in the front. So let's go to turn around, and then let me unzip it. Zipper's a little rough, but yeah, so it's all suede inside the pocket. And then, oh, okay, so you push this one in and it opens that up. So not both, just that one. Okay. So it's all monogram. Then you get your, for crossbody. And that's what it looks like in there. I love it. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. There's a gold detailing on it. That's what it looks like. Honestly, I've watched so many reviews and so many videos on this bag, so it's like exactly what I expected. The quality's great. You also get a pocket right there. So you get 1, 2, 3 slots and then a pocket back here. That's what it looks like. I love this bag. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at that. I love it. I can't wait to put my stuff in it. I'm just like, and then you just pull the handles too like that. Let's go ahead and put the strap on. Okay, there we go. The strap is on. This bag is so beautiful. It's feels very nice and luxurious. It's weird. I love it so much, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited I got it. Oh, it's just like unreal to me because I never thought I would own this. It's just unreal to me because I never thought I would own this bag. So it just makes me so happy, and I worked very hard for it, and I just love it so much, and I'm gonna like baby this so much. Like, oh, I'm so excited. But isn't she beautiful? I am going to be doing a what's in my bag soon on this one, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when it gets uploaded. And also follow me on Instagram at Raising a Kind Little Human on Instagram. So yeah, that's my Instagram name. But yeah, oh my god, I love this bag, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on me. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye. Excuse the messy floor, but this is what it looks like on me, and I'm about 5'4", and I love that it's like not, I hate like my Gucci bag goes up to like right here, so I like that it's like low below that, like a little bit under the hip, like not, you know, like sitting on my hip. And I love that, and it's very comfortable, and it feels like lightweight. I love it. I love it so much. I'm so excited I went with this bag.